Understanding files. Generally, we perform many input and output operations, but this information will not be stored anywhere in the computer. If you wish to store the data in a permanent way, we can look for files. Initially, we will see the basic information about files. A file is a relative collection of information stored on the disk in a permanent way, which allows us to access and change this information any time that is necessary. Generally, files are classified in three categories. The sequential files are the processes carried out from reading and writing sequentially, which means that the data will be stored and sought in consecutive order in the memory. In a random access file, the data will be stored where empty space is available, and the data will be sought by chance. Consequently, random access file operations will be carried out more quickly than the sequential files. A binary file is readable by the machine, but not by humans. All of the object programs of EXE are stored in the binary files, just as the majority of the numerical data files, but the test files are stored in a form, usually ASCII, which is readable for the human. There you've learned about files and their types. Now we'll discuss the file pointers. A file pointer is a pointer which holds information on the files, such as the name of the file, the mode of the file, etc. Let's see the syntax. File *FPTR. Here, file is a predefined structure, and *FPTR is a structural pointer. The file structure has been defined in the header file stdio.h. Therefore, it is necessary to include this file. Let's see the various types of file modes. The mode of file is an indication of which operation we will make on the file: write, read, or append. C language provides certain modes enumerated in this table. Now you understand about the fundamental principles of files. We will see soon in the next lesson how to carry out the various operations in a file. File operations. Once we create a file, we can carry out many operations in the file. Let's see what they are. Creating a file, opening an existing file, writing a file, reading a file, and closing a file. Let's discuss the sample program to write and read the data in a file. In this example, we've declared two variables named ch, which is a character variable, and fptr, which is a file pointer. The fopen is a function which takes two arguments. One is the name of the file, and the other one is file mode. We create a file here called myfile.txt, which will be saved on the C drive. Here we print a text message using the printf function. In the while loop, getChar gets a character, and then is assigned to variable ch. The while loop will execute until the enter key is pressed. The fputC function stores a given character to the specified file pointer. When the input is finished, the file will be closed using the fclose function. Again, we open the file with the read mode. This while loop uses fgetC function, which reads a character from the file pointer and assigns it to the variable ch. This process will continue up to the end of the file, that is, EOF. In the meantime, a read character is displayed on the screen using this printf function. And finally, we close the file. To see the result, compile the code using the Alt F9. When the compilation is finished, click the OK button, and then run the code using Control F9. Now you will be asked to enter the data. Type the data to be stored in the file. And when you're done, press Ctrl-Z for terminating the input. Here you may see the entered data from the file, that is, myfile.txt. In order to see the created file, click on Start from the taskbar, then choose the Run option. In that, type Notepad and click on OK. Here you can see the Notepad editor. Then locate and open our created file, that is, c:\myfile.txt. Here are the contents which have been entered during the program execution. Now you have an idea about creating files and about writing data and reading data from a file. If you wish to know more, refer to these websites.